Got a beautiful static HTML template, but you need it running on WordPress? In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact 7 steps to convert any HTML template into a fully working WordPress theme. Step 1. Create your theme folder. Inside WP Content, Themes, make a new folder named after your theme. Then add the 5 files every classic theme needs: style.css, index.php, header.php, footer.php, and functions.php. Drop your template's assets folder right beside them. Step 2. Open style.css and add the theme header comment at the very top. Theme name, author, description, and version. WordPress reads this comment block to recognize your folder as a real theme, so without it, nothing will show up in the dashboard. Step 3. Split your index.html into 3 pieces. Everything from doc type down to the closing navigation goes into header.php. The footer and closing tags go into footer.php. Whatever is left in the middle, the main content, stays in index.php. Now stitch them back together. Call getHeader at the top of index.php and getFooter at the bottom. Then add WP head just before the closing head tag, WP footer before the closing body tag, and language attributes plus body class on the HTML and body tags. These hooks let WordPress and your plugins inject everything they need. Step 4. Load your CSS and JavaScript the WordPress way. In functions.php, hook a function into WP Enqueuing Scripts and register each file with WP Enqueuing Style and WP Enqueuing Script, using getTemplateDirectory to build the path. Never hard-code link and script tags. Also add theme support for the title tag, post thumbnails, and menus. Step 5. Make the static parts dynamic. Swap the hard-coded site name for blog info name. Point image sources at getTemplateDirectory. Replace your handwritten menu with WP nav menu. And use ESCURL home URL for the logo link. Your template now follows whatever the client changes in the dashboard. Step 6. Add the loop. Wrap your blog card markup in if have posts, while have posts, the post. Then print the real data with the title, the permalink, the post thumbnail, and the excerpt. One card in your template becomes every post in the database. Copy the same pattern into single.php and page.php. Step 7. Zip the folder or upload it straight into WP Content Themes. Then go to Appearance, Themes in your dashboard, and hit Activate. Refresh the front end, and there it is. Your static template is now a living WordPress theme. That's the whole conversion. Folder and files, theme header, split the template, enqueue the assets, go dynamic, add the loop, activate. Build it once, reuse it forever. Happy theming.